Hello guys, in today's video I'll be showing you how you can fix direct message option not showing on TikTok. So without further ado, let's begin. To start, open your TikTok account and then go to your profile page. Now from your profile page, just tap on the menu icon at the top. After that, go to settings and privacy. From Settings and Privacy, scroll down until you see Report a Problem. It will then direct you to this page where you can see Topics, and then from Topics you can see Direct Message. Just tap on that. You can now select Direct Messaging is no longer available. And then you can see right here the reason why there is no direct message option available on your TikTok account. So as you can see, only users age 16 and over will be able to send and receive direct messages. So now you have to be 16 years old and above so you can be able to send or receive direct messages. To solve this problem, you can choose to change your birthday to change your age on TikTok. You can visit my channel and watch the video about how you can change your age on TikTok. And that's it. I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.